Cloves are popular spice my way to the first symptoms of a cold. Scratchy throat, sneezing, cough. I take 3-4 cloves. I chew slowly and one after the other until they dissolve. I breathe slowly through my mouth. I exhale, exhale through my nose. I inhale like this, lower and upper respiratory, a superior tract. Clove contains eugenol. In dentistry, it is used to destroy anaerobic bacteria, poisons the tooth. Often, when the dressing becomes unsealed, you can feel a sharp taste of clove. Since I eat cloves, scratchy throat, sneezing, cough, the symptoms of the disease pass quickly.